Hello, you guys. So we are gonna be trying out some new shit today. I have a couple new stuff. I wanted to try like a full face complexion wise. We're really not gonna be going into eyeshadow today. I might do a little bit, but other than that, I'm not gonna go in depth. But you guys, so I'm opening this up. So we are gonna be going ahead and trying out the Huda Beauty foundation. I think I liked it. It's been so long, so I wanted to give it another go, as well as I wanted to try the Easy Bake Loose powder from Huda Beauty as well. So I'm opening that up. Oh yes, hello. Ooh, nice and yellow. And then I've never tried the concealer as well. So I went ahead and picked up the powder, the concealer, and the foundation again. And we're gonna mix in a little bit other stuff as well. But I just wanted to focus and try this new shit out, guys. I haven't done a full complexion video of Huda Beauty, so that's what I wanted to do. Oh, this looks so much like the, let me see, right here. This looks like the Maybelline powder, you guys. This looks like the Fit Me loose powder. Yes, it's just a little bit bigger, and I mean, I guess the Huda Beauty sign's a little bit prettier. Let me see, I'm gonna compare them. So the Huda Beauty is obviously a little bit bigger, like a little bit bigger. Let's see, size-wise, like this. About the same, guys, about the same actually. But anyway, I just wanted to see how this powder works because I've never tried it before. Oh. Sí, señora. Okay, I can see why everybody talks about the powder, the smell of it. It does smell like a señora, which I don't mind, but alright. So when you dip into there, it's like a little tent, whatever you want to call that. So let's put that shit back on. So let's get right into the video, guys. I want to try all of these complexion products and let's see how it looks on the face. Alright, hold up. So before we do anything, we are going to be going in with our Farsali. Okay, let me back it up. Okay, so you guys, this is the Farsali Rose Gold Elixir 24 karat cold infused beauty oil. I'm going to go ahead and try to be like one of those Instagrammer people. Oh yes. I even see people going on their lips with it, going on their nose. Oh yes, I need hydration, guys. I need it. I don't mind it at all. Okay, I do look a little bit greasy, but I don't mind because I know this is supposed to be very hydrating. I love how this smells too. Got on their lips. Especially because I know the Huda Beauty foundation is actually matte, so that's why I do want to go in with this elixir, but I also got it, so it's new, so I wanted to try it out and see what's the hey. What is the hey? And I don't mind my planet. Hello. So anyway, let's go in with the Huda Beauty foundation, guys. I am using the shade Toffee. Hello. You can see right there, Toffee. Hello, Toffee. So let's go in with this shade. I will say, you guys, I love, bitch. I love my Jouer Essential High Coverage Foundation. So I do have really high expectations for the Huda Beauty foundation. I tried it a long time ago, guys. I don't know if I loved it. I really don't know because I actually returned it. So, I don't know. So I'm not gonna say I didn't love it because sometimes I return things, you guys, but I don't know why I returned it. I really do not know why. Maybe I was broke. Hello. But I'm gonna try this out. So I do have high expectations. Well, I will say about packaging. I love the size of the Huda Beauty foundation. This one is a little too small for me, but I don't care. Formula wise, I love it. I do wish that the Huda Beauty foundation actually came as a glass container, because this does feel very cheap, like hella cheap compared to this. Like, look at this. Hello. Like, this feels very cheap. So it doesn't matter though. I really want to really see what the formula is. I'm using 2 pumps on the back of my hand. next to my brow pomade. And then I'm gonna go ahead and really just blend this in. Oh wow. Alright, color. And I'm in the shade Toffee if you guys are wondering, guys. I am using that shade just in case you guys are, you know, like similar complexions or around the same skin tone. So I am using Toffee. And actually I think it's gonna match pretty well. Doesn't look bad at all. And you guys, this beauty sponge from Elf, hello, I like it. I love it, you guys. I still love my Morphe sponges too, but those are dirty and I was too lazy to, you know, to clean them. And I have that zit, so let's see what this Huda foundation can do. Alright guys, so that is 2 pumps on my face. I wanna see. Okay, I love it. All over my cheek area, looks flawless. I will say it's a little cakey on my nose, but nothing I can hate on. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with one more pump just to give me that extra zhuzh that I love. I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit just for a second. And we're gonna go in first now with the forehead area, just because I need a little extra loving over here. I really do need extra loving over here, guys. So now with the second layer, what I am gonna do is I'm gonna very lightly pounce, just like that, because I want to keep the coverage here. That's where I need it. And you guys, I was in a car accident yesterday. My car is horrible. I will insert a picture here if you guys care. But it was horrible, guys, like really bad. And yeah, just horrible. And then now I'm gonna go in with a little bit more of the foundation and all of the other areas. Alright guys, so next step will be concealer. I will be using the Huda Beauty, the Overachiever Concealer in the shade Granola 18N. Really love that it's a twist off, you guys. Yes. And then this is for depuffing, so I mean I have foundation under it, but oh well. So let's go ahead and do the squeezy tube Instagram thing. Come on. Come on. Oh yes. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and oh wow. Oh, okay. Alright. Okay, thickness. Alright, thickness. So this is supposedly a full coverage concealer. I love the under eye, like I love the color that I chose. So let's go ahead and really start to blend outwards. Okay, I definitely used a lot, but it's okay. I love full coverage, so I really don't mind. What I will do is I will go ahead and put that all the way underneath the eye. Oh wow. And then we will go ahead and go on to the lid with whatever's left, guys. Oh yeah. Yes, coverage. Pretty much it for the concealer. Oh my god, you guys, it is full ass coverage. I really like it. Like, it looks so pretty. Let's go ahead and move on to the face. With setting, I went ahead and picked up Banana Bread from Huda Beauty. This is the loose powder, so I want to go ahead and use this. It has like a little protector right here. This powder does smell like a senora. I don't mind, really. If you are a type of person that cares about scents, you might mind, but this just smells like your grandma. It really does. I don't really mind. Everyone wants to make a big fuss about it. Too fucking bad. Alright guys, so I'm using the powder to really set my nose area. And then I'm going to go ahead and look down. First I'm going to blend out the concealer with the flat brush. I'm going to go dip in and set the lids as well. So let me go ahead and just show you something else that I picked up recently. This is the Fenty bronzer. It looks really beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up this shade of bronzer because Huda doesn't have bronzers. They do have the Tantor, but other than that, they don't have bronzers. So, and this is new, so I wanted to try it out. This is the Island Ting. So I wanted to go ahead and use this and see what it does for my skin. Let's go ahead and just bronze up. I want to look like I just came out of the beach or the sun, you know. So let me go ahead and see all of this. Oh, it's a really pretty shade for me too. It looks really good actually. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my cheeks like I always do, guys.
I'm gonna go ahead and take the bronzer, really coat the tip. I'm gonna really go in here. I'm really gonna go ahead and connect this contour right here with the nose.
What is this?
Lip liner with this color. The lip liner's too red.
I like it.
Alright guys, so let's go in with this Fenty trio or duo. I'm gonna use Cheek Freak.
Trio.
I know, trio.
Trio is 3. Wait.
It looks bad. So for the last thing, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our Farsali. This is new as well. This is the Rose Gold Skin Mist. It smells really good, guys. Go ahead and talk about skin. You guys, I wanted to make this video kind of short and only talk about skin, complexion. So we went in with the Farsali Rose Gold Elixir, the 24 karat gold. You guys, this is so bomb. It really did hydrate my skin. I can see why everybody on Instagram loves this. So I do recommend it. It is $54. So if you guys want to go out and get it, it's up to you if you want to spend the coin. So you guys, it's really good. I think it's really worth it, guys. I will continue to use this, and I want to use the Skin Blur one. So that's the next one that I will pick up. Let's also talk about our Huda Beauty foundation. I know I tried this a long time ago, but I didn't remember if I liked it. I do love how it looks. I think it's super, super beautiful. And actually, I think finish-wise, maybe not coverage-wise, but finish-wise, I do compare it to the Maybelline Superstay, finish-wise. Now, the Huda Beauty concealer, you guys, if anything, I really, really loved this. So this concealer was very fucking full coverage. I liked the applicator. It was really good. I could really get all the way up in there in the crevices. I really did love this concealer, and I got the shade Granola, and in the foundation I am in the shade Toffee. So now for the powder, you guys, overall I did love that powder. It really did set everything, and it really made my skin look really, really smooth. And then now, so for the next thing is the Fenty bronzer. I went in with the shade Ting. This bronzer is really beautiful. This is the type of bronzer though you gotta build. So I feel like this, you will run out of this a lot, because even just to get to where I am right now, I really had to build it. It wasn't really pigmented, you know, right off the bat. But it was a beautiful bronzer. I really did love this bronzer. I do feel like this bronzer is a little bit muddy in person. I will say that. And then also, you guys, so we went in with the Fenty Beauty Cheek Freak. This is the Killawatt Duo. And you guys, I went in with this shade on my highlight, my highest points of the cheeks. So that is what I'm using right now. Just because I wanted to use something new, and I really liked it. It's really pretty. I would mainly use this on my brides as well as my clients, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this into that pile. The liquid lip I am using in the shade, let me see, Girlfriend. So it's like a really pretty nude, guys. I paired it in with the lip liner from Morphe in the shade Clingy. I really actually liked the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick. It was really creamy and it was really liquidy, but I really like that on the lips, that my lips don't feel dry. I hate that. So the last new thing, you guys, that I really recommend is this Farsali Rose Gold Skin Mist. And this has 24 karat gold infused, and it's supposed to hydrate, prime, and set, you guys. So it's really beautiful. Like, look at packaging is A1, guys. You can see all those gold flecks right in there. It's really pretty. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys loved it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share my video, and give me a big fat thumbs up. And you guys, really click this video right here. It's right here. Subscribe, click this video, watch my next damn video. All right, so I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace out.